is like a red, red rose. Sweeter still is she, my rose. Till next Thursday. You know, Rose, you're a very sexy woman. You're beautiful. Your hair, it's like cascading fields of barley shining in the sun. You could swim forever in the shimmering ponds of your eyes. I love the landscape of your body. Oh, to traverse the rolling mountains of your breasts, to nestle in their valley and taste the fruits they have to offer, to explore the verdant forests between your thighs and penetrate beyond, to kiss your cherry lips, to caress your lily hands. I love your button nose, your porcelain skin. I love your rosy cheeks and your sapphire eyes. My darling Rose, you are my sweet delight. I'd shower you in precious jewels of colours rich and bright, with sparkling gold. Your neck is as elegant as a swan's. I love you, I adore you, I worship you. Queen of beauties, you.